Imagine hosting a summer barbecue in the dead of winter, right on your kitchen countertop. No propane tanks, no charcoal mess, and no smoke setting off your alarms. This Ninja AG301 Foodi 5-in-1 indoor electric grill makes this dream a reality, blending the power of an outdoor grill with the versatility of a modern air fryer. This sleek, black and silver powerhouse is more than just a grill. It's a game changer for home cooks who crave convenience, flavor, and healthy cooking options. Why the Ninja Foodi AG301 stands out. The Ninja AG301 isn't your average kitchen gadget. It's a 5-in-1 indoor electric grill that combines grilling, air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating into one compact, programmable unit. Powered by Cyclonic Grilling Technology, it circulates 500 degrees Fahrenheit air around your food for perfect searing and char-grilled flavors without the smoke. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or an apartment dweller with no outdoor space, this grill delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Key features that deliver results. Cyclonic Grilling Technology. The 500-degree Fahrenheit cyclonic air ensures even cooking and perfect sear marks, mimicking the intensity of an outdoor grill. I grilled 4-ounce burgers in just 6 minutes, achieving a caramelized crust and juicy interior. 5-in-1 versatility. Grill, air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate. This multifunctionality saves counter space and eliminates the need for multiple appliances. I baked a small batch of brownies and roasted a whole chicken with ease. Smoke-free cooking. The temperature-controlled grill grate, splatter shield, and cool air zone keep smoke to a minimum. Even when grilling fatty bacon, my kitchen stayed clear of haze. Frozen to grilled in 25 minutes. No defrosting needed. I transformed frozen salmon fillets into perfectly charred delights in under 20 minutes, a lifesaver for last-minute dinners. Healthier air frying. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. My hand-cut fries came out golden and crispy with just a tablespoon of oil. Easy cleanup. The PTFE/PFOA-free, non-stick ceramic-coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are dishwasher safe. Hand washing took less than 5 minutes. Intuitive controls. The digital display lets you select cooking functions, temperatures, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and times with ease. Even my tech-averse partner mastered it in one use. Included accessories. Comes with a 10-inch by 10-inch grill grate, 4-quart crisper basket, 6-quart cooking pot, cleaning brush, and a 15 recipe book to spark inspiration. Benefits that solve real cooking problems. Saves time and effort. Preheating takes just 3 minutes, and most meals cook faster than in a traditional oven. I prepared a full dinner of grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and air-fried potatoes in under 30 minutes. Health-conscious cooking. Air frying reduces fat without sacrificing flavor. My family couldn't believe our fried chicken wings were guilt-free. Year-round grilling. No outdoor space? No problem. The Ninja AG301 brings authentic grill flavors indoors, rain or shine. It's perfect for apartment dwellers or those in cold climates. Minimal cleanup. The non-stick surfaces and dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking cleanup a breeze, unlike traditional grills that require scrubbing. Versatile for any diet. Whether you're keto, vegan, or gluten-free, the Ninja AG301 handles everything from grilled meats to dehydrated veggie chips. Who is the Ninja AG301 for? This grill is ideal for busy professionals, quick prep and cooking times, fit hectic schedules, health-conscious cooks. Air frying and grilling offer low-fat, flavorful meals. Apartment dwellers. Smoke-free indoor grilling is perfect for small spaces. Families. The 10-inch by 10-inch grate and 4-quart basket feed up to 4 people. Foodies. Experiment with grilling, roasting, and dehydrating for creative dishes. Why choose the Ninja AG301 over competitors? Compared to other indoor grills, the Ninja AG301 shines for its versatility and power. Single-function air fryers like the Instant Pot Vortex Plus lack grilling capabilities, while traditional contact grills don't offer air frying or dehydrating. The Ninja's 1,760 watt power and 500 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range outperform many competitors, delivering faster, more consistent results. Plus, the included recipe book and intuitive controls make it beginner-friendly yet robust enough for seasoned cooks. Final verdict. Is it worth it? The Ninja Foodi. AG301 5-in-1 Indoor Electric Grill is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly appliance that revolutionizes home cooking. Its ability to grill, air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate makes it a one-stop solution for delicious, healthy meals. Whether you're craving a charred burger, crispy fries, or homemade fruit snacks, this grill delivers with minimal effort and cleanup. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.